Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ini kriyo PM kuche cheni no yang mo. Lade dam di blok sorak taki marpoi kitbut na duduk no.
Ka Sorkar jala kalapan banaban Iing Arab sanlak Tyngka syagi bahiyeng hasem jong kitu ke balak Khlad no na kadaw ke jingsha siat yap hagi pulit ke Assam ha snong mukro West Giant Hills. Bad na banta Kiba Mynsaw pat ka Sorkar kan pulut na dong syadong na ka benta ban pha Sumar ki. Menteri Keterangan Kampo Iing ke Sorkar jala uba lak kemen rumbui ulalai chamukro banyak kendu iki nong song snong jong kani ke snong bad ban pej ya ke jaka baja ke jingja lapin banaru ba anpha tokit daga magistral inquiry ba ya ke ijahar halor kani ke jingja la ujor hanartiang police station
Nadu arajar arpau ubnai jun de pemani ke meeting kawa side by side yo pembat yo purusam MK mila ya ke security yang kibro tayai tebha ha ka arhosam terik uniu benai dang uwai ya ke police outpost hapo boroto wa sakavi ke police outpost le hapo kersyai ke wadap aproba yo wa hapo kersyai wa hapo melangkona knang ba uyok jing sngai yang kibro hapo border nampak ke border dispute like ke bil border difference like ke wi ndrai I ke MK mi tau em ke jing sngai ye ki no chong I wa kham tam chu cha blai em ka mi di jing chia knang bi bro yang I upoi smart check ini kita weti ba ini lang Sorkar ulai kamu angne arhasam trik ke burto deredi ka yo em ki bro yang ka outpost yang ka kan thop ya arphap ni kichnong kiwa em hapo ani ka thai.
Today on the 22nd of November an unfortunate incident occurred at Mukro village in West Giant Hills district where 6 persons have died due to firing by Assam police and Assam forest guards. I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved families who have lost their loved ones. As per the reports, a truck carrying timber was pursued by the Assam forest guards with the Assam police and was detained by the Assam police and Assam forest guards at Mukro village in West Giant Hills district. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. 1 Assam forest guard also died due to the firing. The injured persons have been shifted to Boroto PHC and Yalong Civil Hospital. On hearing of the incident, the district magistrate, the superintendent of police and other magistrates rushed to the spot. Inquest has been conducted by the magistrate. The Honorable Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, has also reached the spot of the incident. An FIR has been registered by the Meghalaya Police. The names of the deceased who died on the spot are: number 1, Thal Shadap, male, 45 years. Number 2, Nikashi Dhar, male, 65 years. Number 3, Sikh Talang, male, 55 years. And number 4, one unknown male forest guard of the government of Assam. The names of those who succumbed to their injuries in the hospital are Number 1, Tal Nartyang, male, 40 years, who died at Boroto. Number 2, Chirup Sumer, male, 40, who died at Joai. The state government strongly condemns the incident wherein the Assam police and Assam forest guards entered Meghalaya and resorted to unprovoked firing. Government of Meghalaya will take all steps possible to ensure that justice is done and action is taken against all those responsible for this inhuman act. As a mark of respect and mourning for the deceased, the state government has decided to cancel all official festivals, including the Cherry Blossom Festival. An ex gratia compensation of rupees 5 lakhs each to the next of kin of the deceased shall be released. The Cabinet will be meeting today in the evening at 5:30 to take and decide on the next course of action which the government of Meghalaya will take in respect to this particular incident that took place. We also would like to pray for all those families, especially, who have lost their loved ones and those whose family members have been injured in this incident. Just before this press conference, we have called different leaders from our traditional heads, Rangbashnongs, our religious leaders from different religious groups, and different members of civil society and different NGOs to discuss, to appeal, to inform them, and to ask them that we need to stand together in these difficult times as a state and as citizens. These are challenging times, but with society and with all of us being together, we will overcome this situation. And as I mentioned, the government of Meghalaya will be firm and will take necessary action, whatever that is required, to ensure that justice is done and those people who are responsible for this action are taken against them.